Good morning, 819S. It's a brisk 8 degrees outside right now, kind of chilly. And it might rain, it might even snow a little bit tomorrow. Hopefully it's not too bad. Today, what I want to talk about is rider assist packages for motorcycles. So, I'm curious what you think. Do we need more rider assist or safety devices on our motorcycles? The reason I'm asking is because today I read an article about Honda developing a steering assist for blind spots. So if a vehicle is approaching you and it's in your blind spot, it can auto steer to correct your trajectory so that you will not have an accident. I think anything that controls or messes with the inputs of a motorcycle can be potentially risky or dangerous for motorcycle riders, so it's not something I would be into myself. I do see that if you're in a lean or if you're going faster or the conditions are wet, the computer may not always understand all the circumstances that the rider is taking into account. So I'm kind of against it overall, but I'd like to hear what you have to think. Do we need something that can indicate there's something in our blind spot, or do we need something that can actually steer or control the bike when something's in our blind spot? I do see a difference with things like ABS though, because I think ABS, you still have control over the inputs on the bike, you're controlling the brakes, but the ABS can kind of help you with that. I don't know. Leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do we need more rider assists? Do we need more nanny stuff for motorcycles? I'm curious to hear what everyone has to think. Thank you guys so much for watching. Get out there and ride. Always ride safe.